Lunchtime with DJW.
That's an acronym for David, Jack, and Will. Jack came into the subway without shoes.
David, you took your shoes off too.
For like 5 seconds.
David, you took your shoes off too. David. When you took the...
When?
Now they're off.
When?
Let me see the camera. I want to say something.
They best be making my food.
What they do is go up and like see videotapes.
Chicken.
No chicken.
Get off me.
Sandwich.
There it is. And that's, you didn't need any like mayonnaise or anything on there, right?
No. Hey Jack, your sandwich looks like a turd.
Baseball game yesterday. David, what did Paul call you?
Oh, he called me a Spanish weirdo.
And he goes, and I said, and after he goes, come on, you white something, and I go, come on, you white trash person.
He called him white trash.
He's like, hey, I'm gonna call you white trash person.
He never did call him white trash though.
I know. All we need to do is he needs like a red truck, sleeveless, camo vest, and a camo hat, and a
No,
shirt.
the hat has to be like
camo.
the hat. No, the hat.
It's like a trucker hat.
No, it's a Confederate hat.
Yeah, and he's like jeans and like a cowboy boot and a red truck and a beard.
Oh my god. This hat is super cheap.
What? Let me see.
Let's see.
Can I see it? This is what I look like it.
No. I gotta do it. It's my hat. Oh yeah. No, give it to me. I have an idea.
Yeah, I'll see it.
Watch hold me. Oh,
Can I hold it? It's Mr. Hatty Face, not Happy Face.
Oh.
It's Hat.
His eyes are on my nose. So, today on Happy Talk. No.
It's Hattie Talk.
Here, alright, my turn. My turn.
Let me see. I want to do David. Can I?
Hi, I'm Will. Hi.
Well, you always ruin it because you always like.
Jack's reading it right now. He's not even talking.
All of you. We saw your face. It was ugly. No. Hey guys, you guys watch my video.
The hem's already.
It sounds like that. It looks like the
David, we all agree. We all agree David's thing's the girl. Look.
Oh, I'm not a girl.
No, that's not No, the face paint thing. This is not girly whatsoever. This is.
No shoes. Hell yeah. They must be eating food. Stop. Oh, Jesus Christ. Down. Grab your crotch and touch the ground. Oh, stop.
No.
Will's saying some potty words.
No.
Ugh.
Like, are you saying poo? Yes. Ow.
He's saying potty words.
To not be a ripoff of Smosh, we have to do dares. We have to do dares instead of fighting Twitter questions. Fighting Twitter questions.
That's kind of.
You're right.
Dares.
Yeah, fighting Twitter questions. Fighting Twitter. It's kind of inappropriate. Why? Like you're hitting a grandma? Yeah. It was a little inappropriate for viewers, so we finally changed to this. Fighting Twitter questions. Fighting Twitter questions.
I had it all separate enough to bring to you, but I'm coming home from the carnival right now and grabbing food for the boys.
Ow!
It's at Steve's office on this. Oh, it's on like a
Hattie needs a hat.
Yeah, he's probably home. I'll be home. I'm gonna need it.
Mr. Hattie Face needs a hat.
Stop. Turn around. Grab your crotch and touch the ground.
Ow! Jesus Christ.
Mr. Hattie needs a hat.
Thank you, Mike.
Haha. Will's in a singing phase right now.
Oh.
Jack.
Oh, Jack, let's go through my prizes.
Oh yeah, at the carnival, David got some loot. He looted a lot of things. So
Let me see it.
okay, he got a flamingo.
Flamingo.